I'm on a public sidewalk. I don't have to do that.
Our officer safety, I'm asking you to step back.
No. For his safety, the crime that you're committing, I'm going to stay right here.
Well, then here's what I'm going to do. If you don't step back, I'm going to take further action. I'm the sheriff of this county, and I'm asking you to step back.
So the sheriff of this?
I'm asking you to step back.
No, you're telling me.
I'm asking you to step back.
Norris has decades of experience working in law enforcement, mainly with the Los Angeles County Sheriff's Office. However, he tells me he won't let his big city experience change the small town values here in Kootenai County.
Hello everyone, we're here with Kelly Burton. We're at the Canfield Trailhead in Coeur d'Alene, Idaho.
I actually personally wasn't kicked out. My little brother, his wife, and their daughter were kicked out. I was told that I could stay, but it wasn't until after extensively proving that I work in Idaho, that I have business every single day in Idaho. All this initiated just because we drove up the road without state plates, because I still have North Dakota plates on my truck, regardless of my income tax being paid to Idaho, being born in Idaho, having paid for ORV stickers here, all that. Still, every time I come over, I'm stopped and subjected to a search of my papers solely based on the plates on my pickup. How's it going? Nope, I work in Idaho. I'm an American citizen. I have rights. I live in Idaho. Your DMV is closed and I have North Dakota plates.
Okay. Do you have an Idaho driver's license on you?
No, the DMV is closed. I can't switch my residency.
You can't switch your residency?
Not with the DMV closed. I work at a H2O in Hayden, Idaho. I drill water wells.
So I'm still here advising about the governor's order.
Okay, well, the governor can blow me because I'm an American citizen.
I don't think so. No. Shut the fuck up. Get back to work. Get back to work. I'm your employer. I'm recording you. I have a right. No. Are you asking me or are you telling me? You don't have a right to tell me. I have a right to record your crimes. What's going on here? Okay, why did you pull him over? Why was he pulled over? Sir, you have to answer my questions. So you're gonna call back up. Okay, what's your name and your badge number? What's your name? No, I need.
Step back.
No, you're telling me that's a crime. That's duress, sir.
I'm asking
sir,
you to step
no,
back.
I don't have to. I'm on a public easement. I'm on a public sidewalk. I don't have to do that.
Our officer safety, I'm asking you to step back.
No. For his safety, the crime that you're committing, I'm going to stay right here.
Well, then here's what I'm going to do. If you don't step back, I'm going to take further action. I'm the sheriff of this county, and I'm asking you to step back.
So the sheriff of this?
I'm asking you to step back.
No, you're telling me.
I'm asking you to step back.
I'm on a sidewalk. You can't tell me to step back.
On our traffic stop, creating an officer.
It's
step back.
So what's your name and your badge number? You can't.
I told you once. I'm not going to keep doing this. Step back now. Do you understand me?
All right.
You understand me? Step back.
You're not going to fucking...
Step back. Thank you.
You're in trouble. What's your name and your badge?
Right
like how far? How far?
Right there. Stay right there.
Very excited to put this chapter behind us and start serving the citizens of Kootenai County.
Norris is a part of the Kootenai County Search and Rescue Team. Before that, he served nearly 30 years working for the Los Angeles County Sheriff's Office.
I worked both patrol and our custody division, which is our jail operation. And those are just happen to be two of the major functions here at the Kootenai County Sheriff's Office.
He hopes to use that experience to come up with a new community safety plan, especially for those living near the Kootenai County Jail. He says 20 years ago, only 25% of inmates were charged with a felony. That number has grown to 86%.
It's flipped, it's changed, and we need to change with that change.
He says another big priority is protecting people's rights, from the right to bear arms to bridging the gap between law enforcement and the community.
I told you once, I'm not going to keep doing this. Step back now. Do you understand me?
All right.
You understand me? Step back.
When that one woman was watching her son play football, and then a use of force occurs with a taser because she doesn't have a mask on. These are situations that are going to compromise the relationship between the community and law enforcement for years to come.
Because to Norris, there's nothing more important than earning that trust.
Step back. Thank you.
You're in trouble. What's your name and your badge?
Right
like how far? How far?
Right there. Stay right there.
Hey guys, make sure you go subscribe to North Idaho Exposed. He really does a lot of good work, and he also has recorded with North Country Off Grid, which is an amazing channel as well. Make sure you let North Idaho Exposed know that I sent you. And also, if you guys get a chance, his channel is one of the channels that has been demonetized. So if you guys get a chance, please show him a little love. Thank you guys for all you do. I will see you guys in his comment section. Have a wonderful day.
I'd like to give a shout out to what is it, San Juan Valley Transparency, who actually ran one of my videos, and I went from 11 subscribers to over 1,000 in almost a day.